Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the week so far, and welcome to this new Dogecoin update. And hopefully I can help with that great start of the week, because this is a relatively bullish update here on Dogecoin. Overall, I'm turning a little bit more bullish on Dogecoin here, even though I'm not buying yet. But we're seeing some early signs of some more recovery, because obviously, Dogecoin, if you take a look at the daily chart here, recovery, we're ridiculously bullish, right? So sometimes it doesn't hurt to zoom out a bit and see where we are, right? If you take a look at this, Dogecoin is still very bullish, and I would even say, even if we pull back all the way into 27.5 cents here, even if we pull back into 22.5 cents here, I would still call this bullish. But that doesn't sound that doesn't seem likely here, and we will focus a little bit more on the short-term price action here. So let's get right into it. A couple of important things here. First of all, yesterday the main thing we talked about is the potential breakout above this trend line right here. So what happened is that yesterday we rejected this level right here. All right, so we found resistance at this, or wait, was it actually something a different trend line? I think it was this. So here you can see we rejected the breakout here above this trend line. In general, we had a little bit of a downtrend within this bigger range, or within this bigger area, which we are in right now, between 35 cents and 42 cents. We did not break above that yesterday morning, but what I said yesterday is that I do think we'll break above that, and I think in general we'll break this downtrend. That's what we did a little bit later. We actually needed 12 hours for that. We actually retested this level around 36 cents. But right now, we have been able to break that downtrend, I think. All right, so you can see again some sort of there are still signs of some bearish pressure here. But overall, the bounces that Dogecoin is getting from this level here, 35.5 cents, and some fresh longs coming into Dogecoin as well over the course of this night and during the Asian session. For me, that's enough confirmation that we look stronger than over the course of Friday, Saturday, when there were some some moments when at least some people were scared that we would drop down below 35 cents and drop down to 30 cents. Which, by the way, and I try to say this every video, even though I don't think it's likely here that we will get a bearish breakout and drop down lower, if we do, that's the best opportunity you're going to get. All right, there's certainly opportunities to buy Dogecoin here after some sort of a breakout, after some sort of a bullish confirmation. Buy it with leverage, get in, and then ride the wave up higher. But the best opportunity is if we actually get a pullback into 30 cents, 31 cents, especially right now, what you're seeing with the markets. And we'll get to what I expect from Dogecoin in a moment. But what we're seeing is that the funding rates are quite high. So with Dogecoin, what you can also see is that most of the liquidity is to the upside. And I've told you that for the last 2 days. But there is some liquidity to the downside as well. And I would actually say it's most likely here for Dogecoin that we will be able to hold this bigger range here, so that it's most likely we're heading for the top here, so into 41, 42, 43 cents. That's what I would expect. But on the lower time frames, I would say it's most likely that we'll take out that liquidity to the downside first before breaking this last kind of downtrend and rallying up to those targets. That's what the most likely scenario looks like to me for Dogecoin right now. That's what I think you should be prepared for. And then in terms of if you want to buy Dogecoin, yes or no, the best buy for now, if you want to leverage buy it, would probably be the breakout here above 38.3 cents. And if you want to buy it spot, I would wait for some sort of a deeper pullback. Because if you look at the higher time frames, we've not had that yet. And it is most likely, if you look at the previous bull runs, that we will get that. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. Those are my thoughts on what I think is most likely over the course of today, dependent on Bitcoin, but that's always the case, of course. So that's it for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, have a great day. Take care and bye.